नमामि शारदां देवी वीणा पुस्तकधारिणीं नमस्कारकरस्तु मे प्रसन्नास्तु स सदा.
Uh, Students, we are on the 8th part of Pythagoras theorem, SSC 10th standard maths 2. We are started with problem set 2. We are on the third question. Third question is in triangle RST, angle S is 90 degree, angle T is 30 degree, RT is 12 centimeter, then find RS and ST. So, in this question, what you are going to do? We are going to draw one figure in this triangle RST. Okay, this angle S is 90 degree and angle T is 30 degree and this is R. Okay. This R is S is 90 degree. So we write given in triangle RST, measure of angle S is equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle T is equal to 30 degree. RT is equal to 12 centimeter. RT is how much? 12 centimeter. And what they are asked to find? They asked to find length RS and length ST. RT. Length ST. Okay. So solution. See, when they are giving 30, 90, means we are going to apply the property of 30, 60, 90 degrees triangle. So, in triangle RST, measure of angle S is equal to 90, measure of angle T is equal to 30 degree. These things are given. Therefore, measure of angle R is equal to 60 degree. We can write remaining angle of triangle RST. Remaining angle of triangle RST. This will become now 60 degree. Then, by property of 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, what I can write? RS is half of RT. We can write side opposite to 30 degree. So RS will be half into 12. So length RS is equal to 6 centimeters. You know that by property of 30 degree 90 degrees triangle, side opposite to 30 degrees half of the hypotenuse and side opposite to 60 degree is root 3 upon 2 times upon hypotenuse. You can write side opposite to 60 degree. So length ST is equal to root 3 upon 2 into 12. Length ST is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. That you are going to keep it. Have you understood this? So copy down it properly by pausing the video. It's very simple question. On fourth question, they are given find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 16 centimeter, area is 192 square centimeter. For this, we are going to draw the figure. This is a rectangle. ABCD. Correct? You must know all the properties of rectangle. All angles are of 90 degree, and they are asked to find out the diagonal. So we'll draw diagonal AC. AC and BD will be equal as the diagonals are congruent. Length is 16 centimeter, and they have given you area. So given, let quadrilateral ABCD be given rectangle. Length, here it will be BC is equal to 16 centimeter, and area of rectangle that is area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to 192 centimeter. And what they are asked to find? They are asked to find length of diagonal. So, solution. First of all, we'll start with the area. So, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So, area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to length is BC into AB. Area of quadrilateral ABCD is 192, BC is 16, and they are asked you AB. 192 upon 16 is equal to AB. So 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16, here again 16 twos are. So I can say that length AB is equal to 12 centimeters. So ultimately, we got a breadth is equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, now what I can do is in triangle ABC, measure of angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Reason is angle of rectangle. Is it right? Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Solve now. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square is 12 square plus 16 square. So AC square is equal to 144. We must know the above. Zaruri hai ki you should know the squares properly, and it is 256. So AC square is 4 plus 6 is 0, 0, 4. Taking positive square root, what I get? Length AC is equal to plus root, and length AC is equal to 20 centimeters. But AC वगैरह तो हमने लिया हुआ है, तो run down the statement. Length of diagonal of rectangle is equal to 20 centimeters. That you put in the box and complete it. I think it is easy question. ज़्यादा कुछ सोचने जैसा था ही नहीं. Cover down it properly by pausing the video. Copy down it by pausing the video. Now, fifth question, find the length of side and perimeter of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangles are those whose all the sides are congruent and all angles are of 60 degree. तो पहला हम लोग एक इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. This is an equilateral triangle, say ABC. All sides are congruent and whose height is height we are going to draw from vertex to opposite side, that is BD. Right? So, given let triangle ABC be given equilateral triangle. Then segment AD is perpendicular to side BC. B, D and C are collinear points and length AD is equal to root 3 centimeter. So, solution. Okay. How can you do it? This triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. It is given. Is it right? Then, therefore, measure of angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. Angle of equilateral triangle. Angle of equilateral triangle. So this becomes 60 degree. Therefore, instead of ABC, I write measure of angle ABD is equal to 60 degree. Take an equation 1 and B, D and C are collinear points. Then after that, in triangle ABD, measure of angle ABD is equal to 60 degree from 1 and measure of angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. Here we'll write AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, measure of angle BAD is equal to 30 degree by property of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle. Is it right? Therefore, what you are going to write? By property of, I should write over here, remaining angle of triangle ABD. Then by property of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, we know the value of AD, which is opposite side of 60 degree. So what I can write is AD is root 3 upon 2 times of AB. We can write side opposite to 60 degree. So AD we know it is root 3 is equal to root 3 upon 2 into AB. So root 3 into 2 upon root 3 is equal to AB. Root 3 get cancelled. what I can write, length AB is equal to 2 centimeter. But AB is a side. So what I can write then, therefore, length of side of equilateral triangle is equal to 2 centimeter. That we put in the box. And perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. That is 3 into 2, 6 centimeter. That also you can write it once again, and I will write it. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 6 centimeter. Put in the box and comment on it properly. Okay. Study it properly once again. If you are not getting it, rewind the video. You see it once again. Which property I used. Comment on it properly. Okay, by pausing the video and comment on it. Now, sixth question, in triangle ABC, AP is a median. BC is equal to 18, AB square plus AC square is equal to 260. Find AP. So, we'll draw a figure of triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AP is a median. Okay, BC is equal to 80 units, sorry, and this is 260. Okay, so given in triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. Segment AP is a median, and BC is equal to 18 units, and AB square plus AC square is equal to 260. What they asked to find? They asked to find length AP. So, I will start now. Solution. In triangle ABC, segment AP is a median. This is given. So we know that what is the median? Segment joining vertex and midpoint of opposite side. Therefore, I can write P is a midpoint of side BC. Midpoint of side BC. Therefore, BP is equal to half of BC, and length BP is equal to half into 18. So length BP is equal to 9 units. This I can put as equation 1. Now again, in triangle ABC, segment AP is median. Therefore, what I can write, by Apollonius theorem, I know that AP is a median, means AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AB square plus 2BP square. AP square plus BP square is nothing but 260. We know the Apollonius theorem, na? If it is a median, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AB square plus 2BB square is the formula. That is equal to 2 into AP is 9 square plus 2BP. Sorry, there is a mistake. It will be AP square only and BP is 9 square. So 260 is equal to 2AP square plus 2 into 81. So 260 is equal to 2AP square plus 2, 162. So 260 minus 162 is equal to 2AP square. This is 890 is equal to 2AP square. AP square is equal to 98 upon 2. So AP square is equal to 49. Correct? So what I will write now? Taking positive square root. What I'll get? AP is equal to plus root 49 or length AP is equal to 7 units. Then we are going to cut it down. Okay, copy down it properly. It is very easy question. Okay, pause the video and copy down it. Now, second question. Triangle ABC, the equilateral triangle again. Point P is on side BC and PC is 1/3 of BC. Find AB. If AB is equal to 6, find AP. I will take it as ABC. AB is equal to 6 centimeter. And what I asked you that P is on side BC such that PC is, P will be over here such that PC is 1/3 of BC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeter, find AP. Is it right? To give one, what they are given to you? Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle. Point P is on base BC. Point P is on base BC and this PC is equal to 1/3 of BC. What to find? We have to find out length AB. Then what we'll do, we'll do a construction. So construction draw segment AD perpendicular to side BC. So I'm going to draw a perpendicular from this to this BC, and B, D and C are कोऑर्डिनेट points. अब हमें निकालना है AP. Okay, so what I will do, just see solution. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So ultimately what happens then, all the sides will be equal to length AB is equal to length BC is equal to length AC is equal to 6 centimeter. Here I can write equation 1. Okay, all sides of equilateral triangle are equal. Yeah, if you are not writing the reason, it's okay. You write triangle means what? All the sides are equal only. Have you understood this now? Therefore, what is the value of PC? PC is 1/3 of BC. This is also given. So, length PC is equal to 1/3 of 6 from 1. What I can write? Length PC is equal to, say, 2 centimeter. In equation 2. This is PC. Now, in triangle, measure of angle ACB. Measure of angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Angle of equilateral triangle. Angle of equilateral triangle. So, now I can take the measure of angle ACB is equal to 60 degrees, equation 3. Now, in triangle ADC, measure of angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. AD is perpendicular to BC. Due to construction, measure of angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, that is from 3. Therefore, measure of angle, we can write ACB. Na? So here we can write ACD also. It makes no difference because B, D and C are collinear points. So ACD लिखते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. Is 60 degree. Therefore, angle DAC is equal to 30 degree. Remaining angle of triangle ADC. So, what will happen now? Remaining angle of triangle ADC. Okay? Now, by property of 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees triangle, I can find out the value of AD. AD is √3 upon 2 times the AC. We can write side opposite to 60 degrees. So, AD is equal to √3 upon 2 into 6. We can write from 1. So, 3 is up. Length AD is equal to 3√3 centimeter. This is equation number 4. And length DC is equal to half of AC, side opposite to 30 degree. That is equal to half into AC is how much? AC is 6. So DC will become 3 centimeter, equation 5. Now, what is happening? We got DC, correct? But length DP plus length PC is equal to length DC. D, P and C are collinear points. So DP is how much we got? We don't know. But this is DPC is 2 is equal to 3 from 2 and 5. So length dp is equal to 1 centimeter. That is equation number 6. So students, I need some more place. I'll do one thing. I'll apply over here. आप लोग उसमें थोड़ा सा एडजस्ट कर लेना. Okay, I'm going to write over here. Now in triangle ADC, in triangle ADP, measure of angle ADP is equal to 90 degree because AD is perpendicular to BC. Now I can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AP square is equal to AD square plus DP square by Pythagoras theorem. So AP square is equal to AD. AD is nothing but 3 root 3 the whole square plus 1 square. So AP square is equal to 3 3s 9 into 3 plus 1. AP is 28. So length AP is equal to root of 28, or length AP is equal to 2 root 7 centimeter. 2 root 7 centimeter is the answer. I'll do it once again. Okay, see once again. What they are going to do? Triangle ABC and equilateral triangle P is on side BC of triangle ABC. Correct? And such that PC is 1/3 of BC. So what I did, construction, I draw AD perpendicular to BC. In triangle ABC, equilateral triangle, so AB is equal to BC is equal to AC is equal to 6. That is equation 1. All sides of equilateral triangles are congruent. But PC is 1/3 of BC, means BC will be 1/3 of 6, PC is equal to 2 centimeter. Now, measure of angle ACB is how much? 60 centimeter. So, in triangle ADC, we find out the value of AD is equal to 3 root 3 and DC we got 3 centimeter. With help of that, what we find out? DP. DP plus PC is equal to DC. So, DP is equal to 1 centimeter. You got it? Now, please, at this part you are going to do your own. In triangle ADP, AD square is equal to AD square plus DP square. AD square is 3 root 3 the whole square plus 1 square. 3 root 3, 3 ka square is 3, root 3 ka square is 3, 3 ka square is 9, root 3 ka square is 3, plus 1, 27 plus 1 is 28. AP is taking positive square root. AP is equal to root 28 and AP is equal to root 7 centimeter.